This is a patient that I saw years ago for stomach problems and digestion problems.
Right.
That I treated with acupuncture, and she was doing very good with that. And that was tell me about.
Completely changed. I mean, after the first treatment, I noticed the difference.
Yeah.
And to this day, how many years later, I have never had another problem.
Episode of stomach.
It was just gone.
Yeah.
It was just gone.
And then, what happened with your heart?
With the heart, I had a heart attack on Valentine's Day a year ago, and I had open heart surgery. And well, it was '09 actually, and I had open heart surgery. I had 5 bypasses. Things seemed to have gone okay, but I never felt good after that. My heart rate was out of whack, and things were not right.
Yeah.
And I was back in the hospital several times, and they were trying to make it right, but nothing seemed to work. It was just a bad heart, and that was it.
Yeah.
Congestive heart.
So congestive heart
and then
failure.
you congestive heart failure, and she was several times in the hospital for that purpose.
Yeah, for that.
3 times.
Yeah. 3 times for that.
And then what happened? How were you doing? How were you feeling? How far would you move and walk and stuff?
Well, at the time I couldn't walk very far at all, and I'd be out of breath. I mean, I was just quality of life was not very
and the heart was very arrhythmic.
Yeah, my heart was way out of rhythm, and at times it would go so slow that I'd have to just sit down. I couldn't keep going. I mean, it would go down as low as 28 beats a minute. And that just...
How many pillows would you use to sleep?
I used 2 pillows to sleep.
Pillows.
Yeah, otherwise
normal.
you felt like you were choking.
Okay.
Otherwise, yeah.
Okay.
So
and then we decided to do the stem cell therapy.
Okay, after I got the stem cell therapy.
That was what month? December.
And that really made a big change. I mean, my heart rate, it was kind of interesting to watch it. One day I'd be up a few, and pretty soon I was up to 44 beats per minute, and I thought, well, now I really got her made. I could walk, I could start walking, and doing things that I couldn't do before.
Yeah.
So I was really, and then it kept on increasing and increasing. And after the last few visits with you, I mean,
it's around 60, would you say?
Yeah, I would say now I go up to 59, well, I would say 56 to 60, 62. That's kind of where it goes.
It's very rhythmic, it doesn't...
Yeah, really. And I can walk 2 miles now. And I don't get out of breath. And when I get done my 2 miles, I also take the bicycle, because I think the bicycle is a little cheating, but it's good exercise.
That's wonderful. That's great.
No, I just... anybody that has a heart problem, I would send them to you in a minute, because I mean, I'm like I used to be.
Yes.
And there was a long time there after surgery. I thought I'd never ever go back to a normal lifestyle at all. So all I had to do was get down here by Dr. Omar. I had to get here.
Yes. So you were up in where do you live?
We live in Wisconsin. And I kept saying to my husband, we got to get down there. I got to get to see Dr. Omar, because I know he can get me feeling good again. Yeah. And I do. I mean, it's like a miracle.
Yes.
I mean, and I tell people this all the time. I said, if you got a problem, it's just like a miracle.
Yeah.
So.
Well, thank you very much.
Well, I have you to thank, and that's all I can say. Because just without you, I don't know where I'd be today. I probably wouldn't exist.
Well.
Put it lightly.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
So I feel blessed.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, 2 miles a day then.
2 miles, yeah, and that isn't enough, and I jump on the bike.
Very good. And you're going to be checked with your heart doctor pretty soon, isn't it?
Yeah, when we get back to Wisconsin, I will be checked by my heart doctor, and I'm sure she's going to have a lot of questions, because she knew when I left things weren't good. Wisconsin, I will be checked by my heart doctor, and I'm sure she's going to have a lot of questions because she knew when I left things weren't good. And they couldn't do anything for me. It was just hopeless. I mean, it was, they hated to see me come, I think, because there was nothing they could do.
Yeah.
So I feel blessed.
Well,
I feel
thank you
I
very
found my healing doctor.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
all right.
I